Hello everyone, Sire here. I have received my November's Scrapping for Less card kit today, and this is the very last one that they will be doing. So I'm very excited to see what's in it. It's almost bittersweet, sad to see it end, but also very excited to see what's in it. And let me just open this up, and I honestly have no clue what's in this. I have not been following Facebook or anything like that recently. I've just been a little busy during the holiday season, so which just makes it more exciting to know what's in it. So there we go. I have this open this up. I am going to put it aside and we'll do piece by piece. We'll start off with just the Christmas card that came in the card kit. This is very sweet. Something that was just created saying thank you for your support of my dreams. Merry Christmas. Very sweet. A little Christmas card. I'm going to hang this up for the remainder of the Christmas holidays. Okay, so we'll start off with the paper. You do get 2 pieces of 100-pound white cardstock. There is, I would say, maybe a peach or an orange, pink lemonade, mint green, raspberry, craft, and this one is called carbon copy, which is a dark gray. Really interesting color palette on the paper this month. We will start off with collection number 4, and as always there is an envelope that comes with every little collection, and here is the cards, the pattern paper, sorry. Very pretty, soft, floral, and this one has words in it. I can't really read it. My glasses aren't on, so I can't see that well. Very soft pinks. I really love the soft colors and the flowers, the stripes that came in this really nice pattern paper collection. Some butterflies here. Really beautiful pattern paper. The enamel dots are a type of green, right there. There's also some ephemera that comes in a little satchel here. Let me just pull this out so you can see them. We just have little ephemera pieces that match the pattern paper very well. So congratulations, some butterflies. Thank you so much. Thinking of you. Some leaves. Hello. Always my friend. And there looks like another butterfly here. Really sweet, really cute. And then the last thing in this collection, number 4, is Wildflowers by Scrapping for Less. And it says you belong among the wildflowers. And there's a little 2 flowers there. Beautiful little sentiment. Okay, the next one we're going to do is collection number 2, called Thank You So Much. You do get an envelope, as always. And here is the pattern paper. So we have some flower designs, some basic stripes and grids, almost like paisley. Some interesting, fun, different patterns you can have on this paper. You also get some enamel dots. These are pink, almost like bubblegum pink. You do get a piece of white organza ribbon by Doris. And then, of course, the stamp set called Thank You So Much. It almost feels like appreciation from Teresa, from Scrapping for Less. So that's what you get in collection number 2. Next, I have collection number 1 called Puppy Paws. Here's the envelope. And the pattern paper, we have some browns, dots, paw prints, cream color, and then you got some much darker colors like that, red and blue. Very beautiful, simple patterns to work with your cards. So that's the pattern paper. You get a piece of twine This one is a navy blue. The enamel dot color you get is almost like a slate pale blue. You get a bag of sequins, and this has many different fun shapes. So there's the different sizes of circles, you have some hearts, and then there's some stars in there too, in different shades of brown and blue. And for the stamp set, you get this beautiful dog just over top of a, like almost like a looking over something. And then you have just stay positive. Happiness is a warm puppy, and congrats. Really cute stamp set. So that's what you get for collection number 1. Okay, so that leaves us with collection number 3 with our envelope and the pattern paper. So we have some basic stripes, flowers, different shades of grays, some yellows, greens, bright pink. So very interesting colors and shapes, but lots of options to choose with. I love these different patterns that you can play with. This will be very interesting on what type of cards I can create using that pattern paper. The enamel dots are these awesome matte white, so they almost have like a, it's not smooth and it's not shiny or glossy. It's this matte, beautiful awesomeness. I love these enamel dots. There's also a couple flowers, so you have some white ones, looks like some blues, pinks. So very bold, beautiful colors for flowers. And these are paper flowers. And then of course you get the stamp set. And this one is called Family Ties by Scrapping for Less. So we have a bunch of different sentiments in this one. So family ties are the best times, missing you. Family, a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. And friends are the family we choose. Or friends are the family we choose, sorry. So really fun sentiments to add to your cards. And that's what you get for collection number 3. Okay, and so that leaves us with the banana split. This does not come unless you had paid for the extra. And I always did because I was always interested in the little extras that you get. So this one is a little different. Normally you get a stencil, but I'll just go through the different pieces. So the first thing is you get a spool of ribbon. I have a feeling it will be random, but I got pink satin ribbon. So there is 8 yards on this thing. That is a lot of ribbon. I don't know if I'll ever use that much, but you never know. Once you have it, at least you can use it on anything. So that's pretty cool. You do get a little bag of sequins. And this once again has different shapes in it. Looks like just the hearts and just your traditional sequence in 2 different sizes, it looks like. And these look like to be iridescent. Almost has a pink highlighter shimmer to it. You also get this really neat banner. I don't see how, it must emboss, because I don't know how that heart would actually penetrate through the paper because it doesn't have the cut. So I wonder if it actually embosses it a bit. But it is a banner die, which is actually pretty cool because I actually don't have a banner die. I don't believe I do. So whether it embosses or not, that's okay. I can always flip it over or something. But really fun. I love the dies. I will say though, it's not red. I'm used to Scrapping for Less having red dies. So this one threw me off a little bit. Wasn't expecting it. And then the last thing you get is this embossing folder, and it has a bunch of hearts on it. And this is pretty cool. This is perfect timing for starting with the Valentine cards. Christmas is definitely done. It's time to start working on the next holiday. So these 2 right here are perfect. Actually, in fact, this whole thing is perfect for Valentine's because you get the pink ribbon, and there's even some hearts in the sequence here. So that is really cool. So I'm really excited about playing around with this. So that is it. This is the very last Scrapping for Less video or box opening video that I will be doing. It's really sad to see them be finished, but I'm also glad that they are able to do what they want to do with the rest of their lives. It is, I'm assuming, a lot of work to put these kits together, so I can only be very grateful that I had the opportunity to work with these kits for the last year. So that's it. I am going to start thinking about what kind of cards I'm going to create, so you have that to look forward to. If you want to, you can always subscribe, hit that little bell, and that will notify you when I have posted anything new. So until then, have yourselves a great day, take care, and I'll talk to you guys later.